Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Realme. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Now tap on Face. Click on Agree in Statement of Use pop-up and enter your current login method. Then read the disclaimer, choose Continue, and remember to keep your face in frame. Now select Done and manage all of those options however you wish to. So when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you wish to disable this feature, tap on Face over here, enter your current login method and tap on this blue switcher next to Screen Unlock. You can enable it by tapping on the same one. If you want to delete your face data completely, tap on Delete next to Face Data and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!